Alright guys, as you can see, we about to beat it with rice. Or some, oh wait, that sounds weird. Nah, we about to beat Into the Future Chapter 2. I don't know, something like that. I don't know. Alright, let's forget about that. Now, we're gonna go to the Chapter 2 moon, and I'm devising my strat. I don't know what the strat is. Honestly, the strat kind of sucks. But we're gonna see what the strat was, or something like that. I was thinking of using, I don't know, Gravolo, something like that, because of the wave immunity, because of that one pig. I'm sure most of y'all know what that one pig is, that does wave attacks after like, I don't know, 5 minutes. But like I had to put him in there just in case, so I could have a little backup in case I go a little too over the time limit. But yeah, I was just thinking of what to bring, because like I didn't know. Honestly, I was just trying to be, use my brain a little bit. I guess, or they have to put Aphrodite, because that thing does massive damage. Most of y'all probably just go crazy with her or something like that. But we're cooking. I was thinking of bringing Sanzo, Cameraman. I don't know. I think I changed my mind. Yeah, Solar Cat, because of the massive damage. I thought, since it's level 30, I got level 28 plus 2, level 30, it would have been good. But yeah, I'm not bringing in this cat. This cat probably stinks. I guess I did bring it in. Never mind. We also bringing in more meat shields, because why not? We bringing in Mohawk Cat. Forget about Solo Cat. Oh my goodness, Solar Cat. Yeah. Well, let's see if we actually cook.
Barbecue chicken alert! Barbecue chicken alert!
Well, by this point, I finally got True Form Valkyrie. You already know, I'm thinking about getting Into the Future Chapter 3 done, so I can get True Form Bahamut. I already know it's gonna be too good. I've never gotten it before, and I want to get it and record it and show all of y'all. But right here, we got True Valkyrie, and now we got, I don't know, Holy Valkyrie Cat. You already know. It's I think it's terrible. I'm gonna try it out for a little bit and show you guys. I don't really think I tested it out too well, but I think it's just terrible. I don't see anybody use it. It's probably just garbage anyways. But we got holy pile of doo-doo. How about that? And I'm just fixing my loadout so I can just show y'all how meant broken this new cat is. Nah, you know what? Why am I even playing, bro? I bet everybody who has this already knows that this cat sucks. I don't even know why I'm showing this. Like, let me speed it up. In this instance, I mean, like, Holy Valkyrie seems alright. I don't know. It just seems like Holy Valkyrie kind of sucks. I tried it a little bit on some other stages, and I mean, it's alright. I just don't see it ever working really well. But that's fine. I mean, like, I'm sure there's a whole bunch of other cats I can use. I mean, y'all should tell me what other ones I should use. So, I mean, like, here it just seems it's alright, but I think right now I'm getting like cat tickets, because you already know I want to get my normal cats leveled up, or I want to get rare cat tickets, because you already know this game all about the gacha. Just most addicting part of the game, just spending all your cat food and rare cat tickets. I mean, if you're if you know use the roll thing, whatever that thing is. But normal people, I'm pretty sure they wouldn't know that, so they would like just use all of it, hoping for an Uber, just like I did. And I'm getting more of these cat tickets. Part maybe some of you were waiting for, Crazed Bird. Nah, this one sucked. I tried it before and I didn't get. And how do I take this thing off? You know what? Forget about it. All right, Crazed Bird sucks. That's all I'm gonna say. You gotta chip his health down in the beginning or something like that. And whenever this reindeer comes, you gotta like beat him too, bro. Beat him with some rice. And then I think it's after like the second one, or actually, you know what? I don't know. All I can tell you is that I got Crazed Bird, and you're gonna see how. Yep. Cooked Crazed Bird. Here's a reveal. I actually got Crazed Bird. I actually have, most of the Crazed cats. I just need Crazed Lizard and Crazed Titan. and you know I can record that too. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Thank you for watching my first rice video. We love rice. Rice out, I guess. Yeah, right. Rice.